And speaking of somebody that's got some assets, what I want to do now is bring up the co-founder here of Vilcaso, one of the members of the Gum Alliance. Nate, for anyone who does not know, has a very rich history. In his previous company, $600 billion per year of mortgages being originated and underwritten. So the man knows real estate. Now he's bringing that expertise around real estate investing, asset securitization, and structuring to the crypto world. So for anyone who doesn't know already, Nate, can you tell them a little bit about Vilcaso and how it works?
Yeah, for sure. So Vilcaso is, in short, the easiest way to invest in U.S. real estate. Basically, when you buy a token from Vilcaso, you're buying into an institutional grade fund. We tokenize the kind of assets that today only institutions need access to. We're talking about like $25 million minimum ticket size.
Do you mind sharing a little bit about how the underwriting process works for how you bring this real estate on chain?
So from my past relationships in mortgage, we are tokenizing an asset called a home equity investment, or HEI. You can think about this like a second mortgage on owner-occupied properties across the United States. It's basically like a preferred equity position on homes. So we don't have any sort of credit default risk with respect to the homeowners because Vilcaso and our token holders, they have a claim over the underlying property price. It's a very powerful instrument. Primarily what we care about is that we're getting homes in the right neighborhoods in the right parts of the country, right? So no duds in this portfolio. What we're doing, we're completely transparent about the assets that are backing every single one of these tokens. So people have real-time visibility into exactly what their holding is worth.
So daily, so it will be updated based on the surrounding neighborhood prices updates. So.
Exactly. So we use something called automated valuation models, or AVMs. We ingest a whole bunch of data about surrounding property prices, changes in neighborhood dynamics, changes in interest rates, to spit out an estimate of every single property value.
So how does a token price get updated? It's like, do you have like many tokens for each different market or each different like asset? Like how would that work?
It's one of the nice things. It's a fungible token. So really it's like you are buying into a fund, a diversified fund of real estate. We're starting with just one fund. So we want to try to maximize diversity and simplicity for people.
Can you talk about the difference between Vilcaso and REITs?
Well, the biggest difference is that most people around the world just can't get access to REITs. So if you're in America, sure, you can get access to American REITs, but we designed this product for international investors. So the kinds of people who today really struggle to get access to American real estate, either because it's too expensive or there are really nasty tax complications. We take care of all that complexity for you. So all you need to do is decide when you want to buy and sell into the real estate market, and that's it.
How does the price get rebalanced on chain? Is it based on Oracle price, or how does that work?
So Vilcaso spits out a NAV price every single day. The behavior here of the token is sort of similar to a closed-end fund. So Vilcaso provides some liquidity to help encourage that rebalancing back to NAV. But ultimately, if people feel that our valuation models are undervaluing the assets, there's no reason that the market can't force the token price to trade above NAV. And what we do on our side is we issue more tokens, and we use that to acquire more real estate in the fund to, again, benefit everyone who's already in the vehicle.
And so, Nate, if people want to learn more about Vilcaso, what's the best way for them to get involved?
Follow our Twitter. I just got there. I'll pop my handle in the chat as well. You guys can give me a shout in my DMs.
Hey, thanks so much for coming on.